Hello students, let us understand how can we create logic gates using diode. So we can create OR gate and AND gate using diode or diode resistance logic. So let us discuss one by one. So if I want to create a OR gate using diode, so I have to connect these two diodes in such a manner connected in the figure. So if both inputs are low, in that case, both the diodes will be reverse bias and no current will be flowing, and you'll get here a low output. So if any one of input is high, then the diode will be forward bias and it will conduct and you will get high voltage here. Okay, similarly, if both the inputs of the diodes are high, both the diode will conduct and you will get current in the resistor and the output in the resistance will be high. So this is the implementation of OR gate. Similarly, if I want to create a AND gate using diodes, you have to connect diode in such a manner. And once if both the diodes are low input, okay, then both will conduct and both conduct, then here you'll get a zero output. Similarly, if one of these is conducting, that is input is low, that diode will become forward bias, will conduct, then also you have low output here. If both the inputs of diode become high, then both the diodes will reverse bias and the circuit will disconnect and no current will be flowing in the resistor. So whatever voltage is appearing here, that will come to this terminal, that will go to high. So high only can give you high. If any one is low, your output will be low. Okay, so this way we can create logic gates using diodes. Thank you very much.